Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step.
Precise ratios are carefully blended to create Coca-Cola's signature flavor. Precise ratios are carefully blended to create Coca-Cola's signature flavor.
Rerouting auxiliary power now. Keep a close eye on the temperature differential in Sector 4.
We have a critical pressure spike on the main conduit. Look at screen 4.
I see it. Rerouting coolant flow now.
Every batch is refined and tested to ensure perfect taste and consistency.
Every bottle is checked before leaving the facility.
Keep it straight, set it down right there. All right, next pallet ready.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, from start to finish.